The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2013 Porsche Cayenne, and this is just going to be a quick walk around video. We do have separate videos of just the platform on the base rack and of just the base rack, so we'll link to those below if you want to check it out without the gear. But yeah, this is a pretty cool looking setup. Customer did a really great job with the base Porsche, and we've added on the rack system. So here you can see the customer had some recovery boards, and we've attached those with some Rhino Rack load straps. He purchased a Rome 95-liter case and the mounts, which we were able to use with some extra Rhino Rack hardware that we had in stock from a platform setup. And also he's going to have a spare tire up here. Right now it doesn't have a wheel, so it's just the tire, so we can use it for spacing. Those eye bolts are part of the spare tire kit from Yakima. So Yakima LockNLoad platform has a wide array of different accessories and brackets and whatnot. So you can really dial in your rack system for the gear you want to carry. So yeah, overall, pretty cool looking setup. He's going with the tan to kind of match the interior, but yeah, overall, this is really pretty cool, and thought we'd take a quick video and share it with you. For more details, check out the links in the description below. But like always, thanks for watching.